Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing the latest US job market report for June. The numbers reveal some interesting trends that could impact the economy. So let's dive right into it. According to a recent report from the Bureau of Labor Statistics, job gains in the US moderated in June, with non-farm payrolls increasing by 209,000. Although this is the smallest advance since the end of 2020, wage growth remained firm. In fact, average hourly earnings were up by 4.4% from the previous year. Despite the moderate job gains, the unemployment rate fell to 3.6%. This indicates that the labor market is still relatively strong. However, concerns about the economy's prospects have been fueled by high interest rates and sluggish consumer spending. As Lindsay Piegza, chief economist at Stifel Financial Corp, pointed out, the Federal Reserve is looking for some relief in tight labor market conditions before they feel confident enough to ease wage growth. This suggests that the Fed might proceed with its plan to raise interest rates later this month. When we look at the sectors that experienced the most job gains, we see healthcare, government, and construction leading the way. However, retail trade, transportation, and warehousing saw a decline in payrolls. Additionally, the previous 2 months' payrolls growth was revised down by a combined 110,000. According to economists Stuart Paul and Eliza Winger, the deceleration in hiring and downward revisions aren't enough to put the Fed at ease. They believe that the Fed needs to address the inflationary impulse resulting from monthly gains in wages and hours worked. It's important to note that the labor market is not without its challenges. However, the increase in job participation has contributed to a better balance between labor supply and demand. For ages 25 to 54, the participation rate has climbed to a 21-year high. Nick Bunker, research director at Indeed Hiring Lab, suggests that while the labor market is slowing down, it's still from a position of strength. He believes that the US labor market points toward a slower yet more sustainable pace of economic growth. And that's a wrap on today's video. We hope you found this update on the US job market insightful. If you enjoyed this content, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more economic news and analysis. We'll see you in the next video.